In the times where healthcare systems all over the world are burdened by pandemic, technology is there to make things easier for them. We've collected some news to show you how. Epic, in collaboration with OCHIN, launched COVID-19 app that will help to coordinate frontline care. They designed the app in collaboration with a nonprofit called OCHIN. Initially, the solution was developed to help Washington deal with the pandemic. Through the app, patients can do a self-screen for symptoms of coronavirus and find local care sites to deal with it. On the other side of the deal, this data helps doctors and hospitals plan and coordinate triage in rural areas. Through Epic's Care Everywhere platform, patients who see a doctor can link their med records to the app so physicians who can't access EHRs could see them. Potentially, the app can also be used to access large-scale epidemiology situations. Data from smart thermometers can show providers real-time data about fever screenings. In such a way, healthcare would be able to find COVID-19 emergent hotspots quicker. The device's digital thermometer and a paired mobile app were developed by researchers at Kinsa Health. It's working on Bluetooth, and the company believes it will be really helpful via mapping data for healthcare organizations, governments, and the public. Typically, healthcare gets updates from the CDC to track the evolution of the diseases, and CDC builds updates from clinical data, so it's only possible to evaluate the past. With Kinsa Health thermometer, it's possible to receive the freshest data available and put them to use. Healthcare biotech Medtronic released their design specs and manuals for their portable ventilator hardware PB560. Now, everyone who wants to help with ventilator supply in the middle of world pandemic can use them. Medtronic's Puritan Banner device is very comfortable in terms of use because it's lightweight, easily movable, and applicable to many healthcare settings. Also, it's reliable. It's been on the market for the last decade. Soon the company plans to put the software code to open source as well. They say the designs are especially good for inventors, startups, and academic institutions that can speed up the production quickly. Chatbot-based software developers from Clearstep created their own COVID-19 screener that is more in-depth and elaborate than usual checkers because it combines symptoms to their potential exposures. The reason to create more complex chatbots is pretty simple. COVID-19 has a lot of overlapping symptoms with other serious conditions. For instance, they can indicate a future heart attack. Comprehensive screening is absolutely required, even if it is a basic digital diagnostic tool, as it allows to reduce the burden put on the healthcare system. After symptoms, the checker asks users about travel and potential contacts, and then guides them to whatever they should get tested for COVID or get other types of care. Clearstep bases their algorithms on latest COVID-19 research in peer-reviewed sources. We always said that the best technology is the technology that solves a problem and helps people live better. Of course, it's impossible to beat pandemic with tech means only, but we're glad tech companies and startups are there to help. Even the smallest contribution matters.